Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am Anand, and today I am beyond excited to introduce you to something that I have been working on from quite some time. That's my website, StockAnalytic.com. This isn't just a website for me, it's the culmination of my 6 years of journey in the stock market, paired with my 12 years of experience as a data engineer. It's my way of giving back to the community, which has taught me so much. And the best part? Everything is absolutely free. My goal is to empower young investors and traders with the tools and insight they need for making informed decisions. Hence, no membership fee and advertisements whatsoever. So let's talk about what makes StockAnalytic.com stand out. For that, let's take this conversation over to the screen. When you land on the homepage, you will notice the jewel of the platform, that is Stock 360 analysis. Imagine being able to look at a stock and instantly get insights across all major fronts: cash market performance, future analysis, option chain breakdowns, and so much more, all in one place. No more switching between the tabs to get all this information. This feature alone can save you hours while giving you a comprehensive understanding of a stock's behavior. But that's just the start. Here are some other free analytics you'll find on the platform. So if I talk about few, I'll start with top gainers and losers. This will help us to know which stocks are leading or lagging in the market today. One more indicator example is new sentiment analysis. In today's fast-moving world, market sentiment is often driven by news. This platform analyzes the mood of the market, helping you stay ahead. With stock trends, you can find trending stocks in large cap giants, mid cap opportunities, or small cap gems. All of this is designed to bring clarity, simplicity, and speed to your trading and investments. But let me tell you a story behind this platform. For over 12 years, I have worked on designing efficient data pipelines, building ETL processes, and creating systems that handle and analyze massive amounts of data. These same skills have allowed me to single-handedly design, develop, and maintain Stock Analytic, from coding the backend and designing the front end to hosting the servers. It's all me, just one person managing every single aspect of it. Using tools like Python and SQL, I have built custom scripts that process complex datasets every day, ensuring the analytics you see on the platform are accurate, fast, and insightful. My experience in data engineering has been instrumental in making this platform what it is today, a smooth, seamless experience for users. So I'll be honest with you guys, it hasn't been a smooth journey. There were moments of constant frustration and hours of debugging the code, but every bit of that effort has been worth it, because this project has taught me to be a learner, a tinkerer, and someone who genuinely wants to make a difference. Now I know what you might be thinking. Why offer all this for free? Well, the answer is simple. I simply want to make a difference. I want to create a space where knowledge flows freely and beginners aren't held back by the cost of the analytics. That said, running a platform isn't easy and cheap. Hosting server, maintaining it, developing it, all cost money and efforts. While I'm still exploring to balance all these expenses, perhaps through partnership or other mediums, my promise to you is this: the analytics which I personally use and build will always remain free on this platform. So if you believe in this vision, please support this channel, please subscribe to it if you haven't already, and share this video with your family and friends or anyone else who might be interested in Indian stock market. Well, thank you for being part of this journey, and I can't wait to see where we go next with this. Till then, signing off.